Crash.
Barry. Barry, what are you doing? You can't cache a brick. Barry, take Catbird out of this house.
I am telling my daughter, hey, this bear bird told me to get off my house.
Catbird, look what you made this house do.
It's crazy, Catbird, and that's what you get for disrespecting me and Barry.
I going to the magic show to buy more. Great, what should we do now?
Maybe we can work at the Rockets Plaza.
Fine, follow me.
We're going to be right back after these messages.
Do you ever feel that you're with a disabled person and that person trying to talk to you? Oh, hi. What's your name? My name is Plus Star Master. Good, and what are you all about? Come on. Can we? Yes, you're right. I do. Come on. I'm waiting. Okay. So what I do is, wait, I didn't know your YouTube channel. Did you know where I could get to there? My YouTube channel. Okay, so I did my username is Plus Star Master, and you could I did search it up on YouTube, and okay, it's okay if you're the right side. Okay, and what I do there is, oh my god, I can't do this. What? See, disabled people don't usually say the words that they wanted to, but maybe if we could subscribe to my channel, then we can have...
That's enough of these ads. I can't take it anymore.
What? No, what? No, I can't write you to do this.
And we're back. While you have been gone, Spring, Barry, and Crazy got jobs at a pizza place.
Barry, give me that egg.
Now, I take the pizza to the customer.
Hi, I'm Groomer. What's your name?
My name's Crazy Catbird Raccoonian 43, and I'm here to deliver the pizza to you. Oh, there you are, Ensign Catbird.
Wait, is that bird in?
Ensign.